We have a 1969 El Camino. It's been body off frame restored. Here's some of the receipts. Looks like they got wet at one time, but stack of paperwork there. So in 2017, it was body off frame restored. There's a correct 69 396 big block under the hood, along with air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Has a correct 69 Muncie 4-speed, and it has a correct 69 posi rear end in the back too. Go to volocars.com. There's 200 classic cars, all with price tags and monthly payments, including this one right here. But join me, let's go for a spin. Okay, let's see how good this one really is. Has the SS hood with the two bulges and the chrome grills. It's straight, it fits real nice. All this looks really sharp. Fender's looking really nice. Sits up a little bit. And usually you can push them down like that. All this is real nice. The gaps all lines up really well. Smooth, no rust. 7-year-old paint job, and it's not bubbling or cracking or showing any signs of damage. The roof is real nice. No vinyl top, just all clean, beautiful body and paint. Tailgate's looking really good too, even along the bottom, all smooth. Some people say, why do you touch the cars? Well, sometimes you can feel things that the eye just doesn't see. If there were bumps along the bottom here, I might not see them, but I would feel them. All nice and slick and smooth and looking really good. Door fits real nicely. Shuts real nicely. Long panels, they're straight. So it's painted Lemans Blue. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's all one color, has a clear coat finish, and it's really nice. It's better than a factory finish. There might be a little dust in the paint or a little mark here or there, but it's beautiful paint job. Windshield looks crystal clear. Looks like all the stainless trim was replaced. Now this is the deluxe model with the trim over the door frames. Up front here, the bezels, the bumper, the lenses, the bow tie right in the middle here, all that looks like it's been replaced. Getting back to the deluxe, it has the silver on the bottom. And I just learned that, I never knew that, but the deluxe model has the silver, has this molding right here to break it up. And the description in the folder there says all of the exterior chrome and trim was replaced. As these little visors were added. Chrome mirrors look new. The rubber gasket around the vent window looks new. Door handles were replaced. Oh, the deluxe has the trim up on top of the bed here too. El Camino emblems, marker lights, all looks new. Tail lights. All the trim back here, the bumper, the emblems, all looking really sharp. Now in the Chevelle, the reverse lights would be there, and the El Camino, they're up in the tailgate. So it's got some 15x8 Corvette rally wheels. The trim was all replaced, and the tires are literally brand new. We just put the tires on. The nubs are still on the tread. I don't even know if they've got a mile on them yet. So they're new, mounted, balanced, ready to go. All right, let's open it up. We got some more features to show you. All right, let's open up the tailgate. Looks like the cables and hardware, the rubber seal at the bottom was replaced. Feeling underneath the tailgate, smooth and clean. Inside the bed's in really nice shape. You can see it for yourself. It's all been prepped and painted. Looks like stainless steel bolts were used up there in that front panel. Screws all replaced, look like stainless. So yeah, nice bed of a tailgate, or of an El Camino. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Also said all new glass. I forgot to mention that. The rear windows, side windows, all replaced. And that's not typical. Usually it's just the windshield. And all the seals, window fuzzies, weather strips, door jambs are painted real nicely. Window cranks, handles, armrests were replaced. So this all looks like it was probably replaced as well. The instrument bezel, the dash pad, the knobs, they look real nice and fresh. Claim that's the original miles, 63,000 miles before they restored it. This all looks real nice. Has a new heater control panel, a retro stereo, all looking good. The emblem, new glove box. You know what's really cool? It says Malibu. They could have easily made this an SS, phony SS when they restored it. They got a big block, they got a 4-speed. Why not throw SS emblems on it? Well, I wanted to keep it true to what it was. This here looks like a speaker wire just fell down. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets were replaced. Best part of the floor is this 4-speed. It's got a Hearst shifter, original style boot, and retainer around it. The seat's been reupholstered. Has original seat belts. Headrest is reupholstered. Behind is all carpeted. Does have shoulder belts on each side. A working dome lamp. Headliner and visors have been redone. The mirror looks new. A beautiful deluxe rosewood steering wheel. All right, let's go check out that big block under the hood. And it is a period correct 1969 396, been rebuilt. On top's an Edelbrock Performer intake. Is a dual feed Holley carburetor hiding underneath there. An electric choke. Looks like a billet distributor with HEI ignition in the back. Chrome valve covers. Got a set of headers. This whole thing here looks like it's all been replaced. This is part of the air conditioning and the heater control valve. All that looks fresh. You can see all the metal surfaces were painted. Even has the splash shields put in place. Battery is secured. The horns are new. It's dressed up with a chrome panel. New shroud. Alternator looks new. Got power steering. Sticker is still on the pump. AC compressor was replaced. It has the sticker on it. Windshield squirters are hooked up. Has power brakes. Sticker still on the wiper motor. So it looks like most of the components in here were replaced. And then the bottom of the hood's all painted nice blue with the hood insulation pads. All right, Michael's going to go shift the gears on this big block El Camino. We'll see you in a few minutes. So a few things I forgot to mention. I'm looking at my notes. $80,000 was spent on the restoration. The motor, I said it was rebuilt. It is a 396 bored 30 over, making 400 plus horsepower. New pistons, bearings, oil pump, oil pan, etc. They are even 1969 heads that are on there. All new parts, roller rockers, a 501 cam, runs on 93 octane. Holley carburetor was replaced. Their big tube headers, which runs into a 3-inch custom exhaust with a crossover pipe. I think they were Flowmaster mufflers. Everything was done underneath. All the metal, he said, except the roof, all the metal is new on this car. That's why there's no rust or bubbles. Even the floors are all new, all painted black under there. The frame was media blasted and painted black. All the suspension and steering was rebuilt. I think I even seen that in the receipts, but it's obvious by looking at it. It has an added sway bar in back. It has a Rock Valley stainless steel fuel tank, so it's shiny. Looks nice. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. All that was redone. E-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's clean. It said the oil pan was replaced. The bell housing, they're aluminum. Someone deburred it, so they took away the rough texture. It's smooth and polished. That looked nice. It is a 1969 Muncie transmission that's in there. That was gone through. Rebuilt drive shaft, 12-bolt rear end with a chrome cover. And inside, it is a Richmond rear end gears with an Eaton posi, 342 gears. So yeah, this car's been all gone through, and at the time when he wrote his little description, it said they had 62,000 miles. It's at 63 and change, so there has not been many miles put on this car since it's been done. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your El Camino to your garage delivered and how to get financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.